When frustration hits, we often react too quickly. But superheroes have a special trick. It's called the meta moment. Imagine you're a superhero facing a challenge. First, you pause. Then, take a deep breath. This pause gives you time to think. What's the best choice you can make? This is the power of the meta moment. Instead of reacting fast, pause and breathe. Think like a superhero. Find your calm and focus. Choose the best action. The meta moment saves the day. It's your secret superhero move. Remember to pause and power up. Even superheroes need time to think. Feel the power of pausing. Every pause can change the outcome. Be the superhero in your own story. Turn frustration into a moment of strength. Let the meta moment guide you. It's a moment to breathe and choose. This is the secret to better choices. Use the meta moment wisely. Your superhero pause is powerful. Harness this power daily. Discover the strength in pausing. Reacting fast isn't always best. So pause, breathe, and power up.